I'm so lazy today. It really was me. So today I have to go renew my license disc. I found out like on the day it expired because I don't check such stuff because I'm literally just a girl. I'm just a girl. Yeah. Hungry. My tummy was working this morning, guys. Gewerk. I am gonna put on my jean. This jean looks so good. I don't care. You can see my brows done. It looks weird. I don't know. It looks so weird. I don't know, guys, if you can see it, but it looks very weird. But it's fine. I'm gonna leave it just so. Okay, my plan isn't to dress up today. I just like being comfortable. Unless I go out, then I only dress up. See the top. It's very cute. See? Yes, my jeans look so good, guys, but let's not see it. This is my favorite freaking earrings. I wonder what shoes I'm gonna wear. You know the vibes. I have a new body mist, the pomegranate and the rose hip oil. Rose hip. Anyways, yeah. I like creating content, but I don't like editing. I wish I could be a YouTuber. Like, I don't like edit good. I just wear those shoes. So guys, I'm gonna go with my flats, guys. I just feel like being comfortable today.